Hello everyone. Today I am going to present a topic, stages in the sourcing process including value added outcomes. Sourcing process. For understanding the various stages in the sourcing process, we should first understand what is sourcing process. A sourcing process is tender process. A tender process or a sourcing process is used to select the best product or service for a certain category of expenditure. Unfortunately, lots of these processes are not run well, resulting in the loss of large saving opportunities, delivering of poor quality products or less favorable terms. So that's what if you see the sourcing process, which is also called as a tender process, is used to select the best product or services for a certain category of expenditures. Now coming on to stages. There are 4 stages in a sourcing process. First stage is specification, second is market assessment, third is negotiation, and fourth is contract. Coming on to elaborations of these 4 stages of sourcing process, identify specifications. Now, when we say specifications, that means what are the needs of the internal customers, right? The person who requires the product or services to be purchased. As a buyer, you have a challenge to translate your needs in specifications. So those identification of the various specifications should be done at the first stage. After that, what can be the specifications? The objective of the buyer at the specification stage is twofold: either reduce total cost or safeguard a competitive market at the upcoming negotiation stage. Then developing the specification in its turn in a 4-step process, that is assess customer needs, assess what the market has to offer, develop specifications, define winning criteria. So you can see the specification is finally divided into 2 stages: finding out the objectives of the buyer at their specification, and then developing the specifications in terms of assessing the customer needs, in terms of the market, developing the market specification, and what will be the winning criteria. Coming on to second stage, market assessment. Once you have a clear picture of the business requirements, the next step is to formally invite the supplier. That is the next stage, inviting the suppliers from the market to quote your business, because you have already explained whatever specifications you want in the material. So what will be as included in market assessment? Request for information and request for quotations, which will be involved, which you are asking the suppliers to send the quotations, send the information as per your specifications. The third stage is the negotiation stage. At the negotiation stage, you analyze the offers and select the most promising suppliers to negotiate with. Only then you prepare for negotiation. Right? So negotiation, definitely you analyze which all suppliers we have to take and who all will be the promising supplier to deliver the outcome on time. In that, what we will check, we will check about how they can have able to build the competition, how carefully they analyze all the quotations. Those all things will be analyzed, and what they promise they are able to produce with those things. Coming on to fourth stage, which is called as contract, as a contract discussion. At the fourth stage, you need to prepare a formal contract with the supplier, and you limit your company's exposure. Full contract form will be prepared, where the list of the documents will be attached, what you will be formulating in your final stage. That's all for the 4 stages of the sourcing process. Thank you.